The Chase BX Jordan Jumpman Jack is shaping up to be one of 2025's most anticipated releases, blending Travis Scott's expanding Jumpman Jack legacy with Chase B's personal vision. This pair stands out with its black, night silver, anthracite, illusion green, and coral chalk palette, highlighted by faux ostrich leather and stealthy strap branding. But the real magic is the glow-in-the-dark details, inspired by Chase B's life behind the DJ booth, where he often performs in darkness both physically and mentally. According to Chase B, the shoe represents finding the light, making the luminous outsole more meaningful than ever. Travis Scott promised years ago to create a special pair just for him, and 2025 finally delivers on that moment. Chase B even teased that the exclusive box design might be the true standout feature. With Travis Scott and Jordan Brand continuing their momentum, this story-driven collab is expected to drop soon on Nike.com. Jordan. Stay tuned for official photos and release updates.